Hi, good evening. This is Indira Shah here. I'm coming up with a beautiful face pack. I think both men, women, and girls can use this. This is totally homemade, you need not buy from outside. This will really sparkle your skin. You can put it on your face, on your neck, on your hands, and even on your feet if you are very conscious on the feet also. Hardly you need 3 to 4 ingredients which are easily available. Okay, this will enrich the skin. Okay, it will help the pores to open it because it should penetrate inside, and you can certainly see the result. Maybe every week you can apply this, or once in 3 days you can apply this. Your skin will be very healthy. Okay, come, I'll just show you what are the ingredients. Here you need homegrown rose petals. Please do not buy the rose petals from the shop because they would have certainly applied pesticides, chemical pesticides. You can ask, if you are not growing, ask your friends to give you 1 or 2 flowers and remove the petals. This is grown by me. Any rose is okay. And then equal quantity of gram flour, kadle hittu or channa atta. Okay. Then you need this thing, aloe vera. Aloe vera, they call it as kumari in Sanskrit because kumari means young. So if you apply this aloe vera gel, that will keep your skin soft, supple and young. Okay, and then you need little water to mix. So first what you should do is you have to take out the gel from the aloe vera. Please grow aloe vera in your house. This is a very easy growing plant. Anyone can use it. Okay, this can even grow without soil. You can just take a sapling of aloe vera, tie it and with a thread and hang it outside the door. This removes the negative vibes from the house. I'm 100% correct. This gives lots of positive energy. So please try to grow aloe vera. I'll just show you how to remove the gel. Here, this is grown in my house. In fact, the leaves are double the size of this in my house. So, cut it like this. See, these are the gel. This is edible. You can eat this. You can make sabji. Now, take a small piece because your face needs very small amount of gel. So, now cut it like this. Okay. Yeah, and now with the help of spoon scoop the gel here. See, you can see how sticky. This will work as an excellent pack. Okay, so scoop all the gel like this. See, I have removed the gel. Okay, now put the gel into the mixie jar, then put the rose petals, then put the gram flour, then add little water and make a fine paste. See, the jar, mixie jar should be clean. See, I have grounded this. Okay, you can still grind it to a fine paste. Okay, now what you do is take little by little and then from the neck portion here down to up, not like this. This is a wrong way of applying. Always apply like this. Apply for the whole face. You can even apply it on the lips. If you put honey, when you put the honey, then do not apply it on the eyebrows, because that will lighten the color of the eyebrows. Here, make a thick coat Now in 15 minutes the skin will tighten. Okay, so once it dries, you can just wash it off with a clean water, fresh water. Do not use hot water, warm water. As far as possible, use the tap water. Okay, now here, cover all the places. Even if you have a black mark, everything will be gone, but not at the one shot. Okay, you have to use it regularly. This is an excellent face mark. I have about 5 to 6 way of preparing mask. In my next video, I'll just show you the other way. This is very good. You know, using the tender water. Okay. So here, this is how. Now wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash your face and neck with tap water, and then see for yourself how supple, soft, and certainly you know, all the blemish will go away. Even if you have a tan mark, the tan skin, the tan will go away if you use it continuously, like you know, every third day or every fifth day. There's absolutely no harm, because everything is natural. Even if you use it every day, there's absolutely no problem. Okay, now please do this and tell me the difference. I'm coming up with many more face packs and beauty tips. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, press the like button and the bell button for notification, because I'm coming up with many exciting videos on many things. So thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Vitvela. Here, the skin is tightening. You can see the tightening of the skin. So let me just wash my face and then show you the difference. Okay, see, can you see the difference? You can feel how soft and supple it is. You can certainly see the difference. Sorry, before I had just told you bye bye, but I just wanted to show you the difference. This is very important. Please make this face pack, apply it, and just tell me, give me your sincere feedback. So thank you very much, because I just want to tell you, aloe vera is very good for the skin. It's a natural cleanser. Okay, it cleanses your skin. It's a natural, it tightens the skin. So it reduces the aging. Okay, aging of the skin. And you know, the gram flour supplies protein. Protein is very important for the body and the skin. Okay, and the rose keeps your skin cool. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell button for more notification. Thank you very much. This is Vitvela.